So what about watching a movie? I think it would be a great idea. English movie or Hindi movie? I think English movie. Evening show or morning show? I think it must be evening show. I think we should invite our friend also. I think we should hire a cab to go over there. I think. Enough is enough. Don't you think you just get fed up by using I think? Hi everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Expedite English. How often do you use this particular phrase I think? Most of the time, right? In our daily life, we encounter various situations where we want to express our opinion, our feeling by using the phrase I think. Doesn't matter, people are asking for the opinion or not. Sometimes we do it purposely, deliberately. We just want our opinion laid down in front of other people. So, and for expressing our situation, expressing our opinion, basically, we repeatedly use I think. Repeating the same phrase over and over again would not let your speaking or your communication more effective. Don't you worry, here is the solution in this video, how you can better speak about your opinion, about your feeling. So in this video, particularly, we are going to learn different ways. Instead of saying I think, we are going to learn different ways to say I think. So without any further ado, let's get started. More importantly, if you like the video, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to share and like our videos. And please hit the bell icon as well so that you can have the notification of our new video. So very first phrase is from my perspective. This is the formal way of expression. Like explain with example. Hey, what you think about this deal? From my perspective, this look like. The second phrase is it appears to me. It appears to me. It appears to me that you don't really want to go to the party, isn't it? It appears to me you really don't want to go to the party, isn't it? It appears to me you didn't really catch my meaning. It appears to me you didn't really catch my meaning. The third phrase is personally speaking. This is the more informal way to express your opinion or your feeling. Personally speaking, she's a nice lady. Personally speaking, she's a nice lady. Personally speaking, he would be better off without you. Personally speaking, he would be better off without you. The next phrase is in my opinion. And you can use this phrase in the starting of your sentence or even at the end of your sentence. And the good news is you can fit this phrase somewhere in the middle of your sentence as well. The next phrase is from my point of view. If you are going to express your opinion more formally, then you can use this phrase from my point of view. From my point of view, that event was a great success. From my point of view, that event was a great success. Next phrase is I honestly believe that. Instead of saying I think, you can say I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that things are changing. I honestly believe that things are changing. I honestly believe that he will win the competition. I honestly believe that he will win the competition. Next phrase is if you ask me. Again, you can fit this phrase in the starting or at the end of your sentence as well. If you ask me, people must go for the morning walk if they want to stay healthy. If you ask me, people must go for the morning walk if they want to stay healthy. Next phrase is as far as I can tell. As far as I can tell. This project will take about 3 months to complete as far as I can tell. This project will take about 3 months to complete as far as I can tell. As far as I can tell, he must be under the observation. As far as I can tell, he must be under the observation. Next phrase is, it seems to me. It seems to me. It seems to me that this is his one of the favorite books. It seems to me that it is one of his favorite books. It seems to me that this is the cheap solution. It seems to me that it is the cheap solution. The next phrase is to my mind. To my mind. To my mind, this dress looks perfect on you. But I'm not sure why you are so unhappy with it. To my mind, this dress looks perfect on you. But I'm not sure why you are so much unhappy with it. Next phrase is as far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned, and this is my favorite one. Most of the time I use that as far as I am concerned instead of saying I think. As far as I am concerned, this meeting is over. As far as I am concerned, this meeting is over. As far as I am concerned, I left a picture in the oven. So that's it about today's video. I'll see you in another video, but don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.